Hey guys, this is KD and welcome back to gettutorials.com. Now in my second video, I'll be showing you how to run your Arduino programs on your smart GPU 2. So before we actually go ahead and program your Arduino, the first thing you'll be doing is mounting your smart GPU 2 on your Arduino Uno. But before you go ahead and mount, I need to alert you, um, sort of teach you on the pinouts of the smart GPU 2. So here are some of the pins you might be seeing on the smart GPU 2. Let me focus this. Yeah. So on the bottom left, you'll be seeing two pins, RX in and TX out. These two pins will be mounted on the TX and RX, that is digital pin number 0 and 1 of your Arduino Uno, right over here. So that will be the data transfer. And coming to this side, we have an RST, that is a reset, 3 volt 3, no connection, ground and ground. So these 5 pins shall be going right over here. Ground 5 volt, that becomes a no connection, 3.3 volt, and the RST. So this smart GPU will be mounted on your Arduino Uno in some way like this. Let me go ahead and actually show you. Here we go. Mounting is as simple as that. You can also program your Arduino Uno while your smart GPU is on top of it. So the next thing we have to do is just connect your USB and start the burning. So let's get to the coding part. So the first thing you will be doing on your PC is going to the website, the official website of visictechnologies.com. Here is the home page, and now since you are using the 2.4-inch touchscreen display, I'll be browsing to products, smart GPU 2, 320 by 240 resolution, and the 2.4-inch one. So just click on that. This is the product page. You can buy this touchscreen for $89 via PayPal, and all those payment gateways available for you. Here is all the detailed information. Here are a few photos explaining the architecture of the smart GPU 2. Here are the varieties of the host processors this smart GPU 2 works on: 8051, PIC, Atmel, Arduino, ARM, Basic Stamp, Raspberry Pi, and all those things. So scrolling further down, here are the download documents. These are all the features of your smart GPU 2. The data sheet will be getting, how to use the audio jack and all those things, and the command set. So what we need from here is the libraries. We need your Arduino ID to recognize the smart GPU 2. Hence we need the library for your Arduino, since we'll be using Arduino. And there are some ready-made nice examples compiled by Visic Technologies for Arduino Uno. So I shall be clicking over here to download the same. So just download these two things, the libraries and the source code or examples for Arduino, since we are using Arduino Uno. So now I'll just show you how those things look like. Here are the Arduino examples, and here are your libraries. So just go ahead in the libraries folder. This is your complete library folder. Here are the 4 contents. I'll just go ahead and give you what is inside the readme thing. So it says this library helps the user to communicate the smart GPU 2 board with the Arduino board. Be sure to check the pinout while mounting the smart GPU 2 or the smart shield. Now earlier in this video I showed you how to mount this thing exactly on your Arduino Uno with the help of pinouts. So we have completed this part. Now where to place this entire folder of smart GPU 2? Place it in the Arduino C colon, that is the installation part of where you have installed your Arduino Uno. Go to Arduino folder, libraries, and place the whole folder right over there. Restart the Arduino IDE to recognize the library and enjoy. So that's it for this readme. So I'll just go back. This is the whole library folder. I'll be just copying this thing. Now this is the only Arduino folder present on my PC. So I'll be entering this. I think so this is the older version I'm using. Okay, not a problem. So here are the libraries, and just go ahead and paste it. As you can see, I have already copied it over here, so we are good to go. Now there is one more precaution you will be taking. So just go ahead and open your Arduino IDE. Go to Sketch, import library. Now you can also add a library from here, either by placing it in the library folder or just go ahead and click here. Make sure your Smart GPU2 library is appearing over here. That means your Arduino IDE has considered your GPU2 library. Otherwise, go ahead and add the file. These are the downloading files of the libraries, and all you need to go for this is the .cpp or .h file. That's it. So let's open a few Arduino examples, and I'll be showing you how I burn them. Here are the Arduino examples. Now they have segregated those things in three major levels, that they call it as the advanced, the beginner, and the medium. Now since we are in the first two phase of this video, I'll be going into beginner. Here are all the ready-made programs of your Smart GPU2. I'll just go ahead and choose any one of these. Let's go ahead and choose this house. So this is how your Smart GPU2 program looks like. You first need to include your Smart GPU2 header file, which we placed in the libraries folder. With the help of that header file, you will get all these commands ready-made for you. So I'll be explaining each and every program later. So let's first go ahead and connect your Arduino Uno to your PC. Now if I go ahead and see, my Arduino Uno is connected on COM5. Now if you are using your Smart GPU2 for the first time, just program the bare Arduino Uno first. Do not connect your Smart GPU2. I repeat, you have to just connect your Arduino Uno and set this program. So I'll just go ahead and verify this thing. Here we go, we have done compiling, and I'll just go ahead and upload this thing. So we have successfully uploaded this thing. So here is your programmed Arduino Uno. Let's go ahead and put on your Smart GPU2 on it. There you go, it lights up. Now just go ahead and press the reset switch on your Smart GPU2. Here is the reset switch on your Smart GPU2. And here is a program you had requested for. This is basically a house. So they have used functions such as draw rectangle, draw line. They have used some triangle, circle. So here are the simple things you can do with your Smart GPU2. As you can see, the background is made of gradient blue color and black color. So as simple as that. Running your programs is very easy. Now next time if you want to run programs on the Smart GPU2, you can keep this thing on your Arduino Uno and go on compiling and burning programs on your Arduino. So in my next video I'll be showing you how to use the bigger one, that is a 480 by 320 resolution. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching.